What is P&ID and why is it important? A piping and instrumentation diagram or P&ID is the blueprint of a chemical plant. It shows equipment, piping, valves and instrument and how they work together. Here are 5 basic every engineer should know. Number 1. What is a P&ID? A detailed engineering drawing showing the complete process system including equipment, piping, valves and instruments. Number 2. Identify major equipments. Learn to recognize symbols for reactors, pumps, tanks, heat exchangers and vessels. Number 2. Understand instrument tags like FT, PT, TT and LT. Number 4. Follow the process flow. Trace the movement of liquids or gases through pipelines from one piece to equipment to another. Number 5. Know the valve symbols. Understand the difference between manual valve, control valves and isolation valves. Remember, a good engineer does not just operate the plant, he or she understands the drawing behind it. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical knowledge on chemical plant operation, maintenance, production management and industrial safety.